Welcome back to another Out of Spec Reviews video. Today we have the 2021 Mercedes E450 with 4MATIC, and we are going to test the all-wheel drive system on arguably one of the toughest passes we have in our area of northern Colorado. This is going to be a quick video showcasing the all-wheel drive system on the Mercedes E-Class, but most importantly, we need to talk about tires. So come on in. This car is on Pirelli Soto Zero winter tires, and you'll see all of these sipes in the tire. The point of a winter tire is to actually trap snow because snow-on-snow contact is fairly grippy. Now, if you look over this way, you'll see the start of our pass is really quite steep. And it goes up. We have about 800 to 1,000 foot of elevation gain under a really short period of time. So what we're gonna do is, it just snowed, it's been super cold, it's pretty icy under here, and we're gonna see if the E-Class can get up this mountain pass and how smoothly. And more important than just it getting up there, we're gonna see how smoothly the all-wheel drive system works. Is it gonna be understeery? Is it gonna be oversteery? How confidence-inspiring is it gonna be? And of course, I think we have the right tires for the test. So let's jump in. The Mercedes E450. By the way, this one is the new inline 6 engine over here, so it has EQ boost as well. So it has a little electric pancake motor that can provide, a 30 or 40 horsepower boost under short circumstances if needed. And this also helps to compensate while the turbos are being spooled up. So we may be able to sustain pretty low RPM just because of that EQ boost, and that should help with not spiking a lot of power right to the road to cause spin. So let's jump in and let's head up the Rist Canyon Pass. We're in the E450. Let's hit the start button, bring it to life. The engine's idling. You wouldn't know because it doesn't use its starter motor. It uses the EQ boost to turn on the engine, so the car doesn't shake, it just idles. By the way, this thing idles so smooth at just about 500 RPM. You don't hear or feel a thing. Pretty amazing. So we're going to go into drive. Everything's in key up settings. Comfort. The only thing I have right now is I've raised the suspension. The parking sensors, of course, are going crazy because of the snow. And here we are at the start of the pass. So let's, I guess, start here, and we'll start with a wide open acceleration and see how it puts the power down. So again, 380 horsepower, something like this, and 390 pound-feet of torque, really a torquey motor. We're in start stop, just gonna floor it. Instantly starts, traction control already. It says switch on headlamps, will do, just did. And we're getting it in. So first off, I'm noticing really good traction. You can see traction control blinking away. Look at the power up this hill and the grip. That's pretty insane, actually, that I was able to get that much power down. Partially that's due to the tires, of course, but also it seems like 4MATIC's doing a good job of sending the power to the correct places. Look at that, no oversteer, just traction control. I can feel the back end moving around a little bit, so it's an oversteering type system, which is good. We're gonna get it into this corner here. Rally car style. You can feel the car just moving around a little bit. Slow in and big power out. The power out is where we see where the 4MATIC sends power. It's so smooth. Once you get straight, it just puts the power down. Like it was nothing. It just climbed the Rist Canyon Pass. That's pretty neat. Gotta say, it's impressive for a Mercedes sedan to have that much capability on snow and ice and slippery conditions. Really a great system all around, have to say. 4MATIC was designed in Austria by Magnus Steyr. They make the G-Wagon, they make a whole bunch of cars, but they also do contract engineering for companies, and they were the contract that built 4MATIC 20 or 30 years ago, and it's still kicking around. Other than that, we'll have plenty more videos on this E-Class. This is just a quick one going up the pass, but let me show you some of the redesigned elements for 2021. Updated elements for 2021. The car receives a tastefully updated grille. The headlights are still largely the same, really bright units. You get different colors and wheels and options and stuff. This is a facelift, but it's actually huge because you get this new inline 6 motor that you just pulled us up the hill. Back here is where most of the change happens, and it's all here with the taillights. Gone are the swoopy taillights from the past E-Class, and you can see we have this new design element. Kind of hard to see everything you know, behind this snow bubble here. But you gotta say, the new E-Class is a serious machine, worlds ahead of the previous one, worth every penny. And of course, the interior's updated with the latest MBUX and the two 12.3-inch screens. We'll have a full review out on this car, but I just think it's so interesting how capable this thing really is in cold weather climates. It's cold out here again. It's about 10 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Fahrenheit, and it just climbed that hill, that snowy and icy hill, no problem. Gotta say, I'm definitely impressed with the capability. See you on the next one.